Here's how to change your Facebook page name on a desktop computer. Either it's PC, laptop, Chromebook, or MacBook. First, you need to go to facebook.com, log into your account, and then after, tap on your profile image in the top right corner of your screen. From this page, you need to go ahead and tap on See All Profiles. Once the page loads, find the left menu and select Facebook page, or go ahead and tap on your Facebook page to open the profile. Now from this page, tap on Meta Business Suite, go to the business info in the top of the screen, and then tap on Edit, and go ahead and edit the name. Then tap on Save, which is highlighted in blue color. Talking about the business details, you can go ahead and add legal business name for your page, address, phone number, and websites as well. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.